Okay guys, so this is my lunch for today. Hindi ko alam kung ano to, pero pork daw yan. Tapos ito buo. And then kanin. Everything is 450 baht. Tapos 10 baht tong tubig. So 60 baht lahat siya. Okay. Tapos ito, katabi lang siya ng hostel namin. Ayan. Ganyan. So tara, tignan natin. Ito ng gulay. Parang chopsoy. Narinig mo ba ako? Hindi ako naririnig. Parang siyang chopsoy. Nakasahat na ng konti. Hindi man nila maintindihan. Nandyan ito. Parang hindi siya pork, pero sabi niya ito pork daw. Gugats kung ano siya, pero hindi siya permanent. Tama siya. After this, punta tayo sa Sayang Park. Guys, so nandito na tayo sa venue ng final episode ng This Love Has No Long Beans. So ito yung venue. I'm not sure kung dito talaga siya, pero parang fan registration pa lang to. So let's go. Hello. Hi, Chris. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, I got two. I got two. Oh my God. Gusto kayo may mga pa-libre sila dito. So ayun, inayos ko lang yung mga gamit ko. Pero ayun nga, meron sila mga pa-ganap dito na libre. Like itong Jaden. Ayan, nakakuha tayo nito. Yung Jaden. Tapos itong noodles. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung pangalan ng noodles. Like, okay ba yan? Hindi ko alam, hindi ko sure. Tapos may parapos, bubunan at kain din. Nakakuha ko ng 2 libreng noodles. Tapos may free taste pa sila dito. Pipicturean ka lang nila. Like, girl. And then, what's this? Pero kainin ko muna to bago tayo pumunta dun sa ibang ano. Kainin ko muna to. So, dito naman tayo sa dishwashing. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron dito. Alright. Papakita mo lang yung ticket mo. Ayan. So, pinakita ko lang yung ticket ko. Tapos... Wow, thank you. Thank you. Guys, ang laki ng dishwashing na binigay nila. Nakakaloka. Oh, di nyo kaya. I'm gonna just have to spin it. Nice sauce. Pagkapraw sauce. So guys, nanalo tayo ng pagkapraw sauce. Kapon ka. Guys, nanalo tayo ng pagkapraw sauce. Para tayo nag-grocery dito sa sa venue ng ng Long Beans. Mga binanap ko yung restroom dito sa Sayampa Valley, sa taas ng Sayampa Aircon. And girl, what the fuck? This is their restroom. Shala. Guys, so nalobat yung power bank ko and naghanap ako ng charging station pero wala akong nakita. Tapos nakita ko to, charge spot. Parang magre-rent ka ng power bank. So kailangan mag-download ng app. Tatry ko kung pwede sa atin. Guys, so ayan, nakapag-rent tayo ng power bank. Oh my god, ang ingay. Nakapag-rent tayo ng power bank. So meron kang application na da-download. Tapos nag-link lang ako ng credit card. Tapos ayan na siya. Bali 20 baht siya per hour. So 10 minutes before the show, nagugutom na ako. So kakain muna ako ng snack. Thank you. Guys, I am inside the venue na. Let's go. So I am at J29. Thank you.
ตัวจริงเรื่องชอบปากช่วยลดกลิ่นปากนานถึง2 ชั่วโมงเป็นไรของเธอต้องไม่เจอเลยเป็นไรไม่เธอ Stop it stop it stop it now ห้ามใจไม่ไหวให้ไม่คิดกับเธอห้ามไม่เธอแล้วห้ามไม่ให้รักเธอ I'm in love I'm in love ไม่น่าเลยใจไม่น่าหลงไปรักเธอแต่ใจมันเพ้อห้ามหัวใจไม่ทันได้กลิ่นไกลๆรู้เลยว่าเธอตุ่นใจหอมไม่พักเรียกที่ก่อนรักเรียกว่าหลงรัก Falling 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 in love ใครร้องได้ช่วยร้องได้เลยครับข้อสุดท้ายแล้วชื่นใจหน่อยโอ้ยแต่ไม่เอาแบบร้านไมเคิลไม่มีคนไม่เอานะนี่ไม่ได้ร้านติดกับเราไปเลยแบบหวานละมุนละมุนมีความละมุนนะยอดใช้ได้ทั้ง2 กล่องเลยอ้าวไป
ต้องทำยังไงถึงจะไม่คิดมากนะแล้วอยากให้ทำอะไรล่ะครับ
หยุดดิ
Feeling ko ito na yun. Ayan na nga, ayan na nga.
เป็นคนของไอ้เมย์ได้
Cheers!
จริงครับผมถูกสมมาจริง
Oh. Tangina ganito umarte gagi. Ang galing. King Mac JJ! King Mac! Grabe business proposal ah.
คุณดูเป็นห่วงผมมากเลยเนี่ย
ผมดีมากครับดีจริง
Nagwawala ang mga tao kasabay Benz, Garfield. Oh my God! Manila! Oh my God! Oh my God! May silent phone! Silent phone, Benz, Garfield! Fan meeting in Manila! Putay! Oh my God! Stop it now. So nagmamadali ako, nag-rent ulit ako ng power bank kasi ganyan siya. I-scan nyo lang siyang ganyan tapos ayun lalabas na siya ganyan. Anyways. Ayan, so nagmamadali nga ako kasi bumaba ako para mag-rent ulit ng power bank kasi lobat na ako, 15% na lang. Tapos fan benefits na. Buti na lang kamo, yung system nila ng fan benefits dito ay inuna nila yung set B sa high touch at saka sa photo op. So may time pa ako. Like, oh my God. Buti na lang. Buti na lang nakapag-rent pa ako ng power bank kasi lobat na ako. Buti nakapag-rent ako ng power bank. Lobat na ako.
My high-touch experience in This Love Doesn't Have Long Beans final episode.
You're so pretty! Hi Lee! Nice to see you again. Hope to see you in Manila, okay? Yes! Franny. Yes. Thank you. Hi Michael! Manila misses you so much. Manila, yes. Come back na. Okay. Hi people! I love you so much. Heart.
I wish I get to capture this heart better than this.
Thank you. Lisa, I love you. Congrats. Good job. Hi, Garfield. I love you. Hi, Ben.
Garfield, I love you so much. I wish I get to sing more hoo-hoo.
Hi, Ben. You told me to come here, so I'm here. Manila, miss you. Hi, all. I hope to see you in Manila. You too, girl. Thank you.
I hope these three gets to experience the Manila love and support. My photo op.
Ate Kurs, ang ganda ng boat. Sorry, wait. Okay.